To my channel, so please don't hate me. I don't know when I'll be posting this video because I kind of want to wait until I get past my last length before I share this with you guys, because I feel like you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, what are you doing? You're always changing your mind, you're always getting your hair. You're always doing... I don't hear it. So I'm gonna record this and maybe share this at a later date once I get past the last length that I'm going for. So yes, as you can see, I straightened my hair. I found that I could not stand feeling my hair be different lengths, and it was giving me anxiety. So I straightened my hair. As you guys know, I've been straightening my hair for many years now. I'm like, I've never given myself heat damage on my own hair. Anytime I've gotten heat damage, it's been because of a hairstylist. And I love my hairstylist. She does a great job on my silk press and she gets it silky straight, but she gave me heat damage, and so I can't go back to her. So I have to go back to straightening my own hair if I'm gonna do that, because clearly I guess the curly hair life 100% isn't for me. I've always wanted to do it, but I don't know. The curly cut was just bothering me, the length. So I straightened it, and I just want to show you guys how it looks after that curly cut that I did. This is how it's looking. So it's still long. It's still like, it's 12 inches because that's what she cut my hair to. By the way, this is 10 days after I got my hair silk pressed, by the way. A week after my silk press, I washed my hair. I did my curly cut, and then here I am now. It's 10 days. So my hair is the same length since when she cut it. She cut it from 12.75 to 12. So my hair was 12. It's broad strap length, but I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's a little thinned out. I don't know if it's easy to see because of the front of the crown. I don't know how it looks. All I know is from the front, it's sparse. You see all this? That's because I got rid of all this is like short on the sides here. The back is still long, but because the sides are short, it gives this weird look like it's thin. Yeah, like it looks, it's just weird, like a little see-through and no me gusta. So I'm actually gonna have my husband cut my hair. I think I'm gonna have him cut it to 10 inches, and then I'm gonna just dust my ends every 2 months moving forward and keep it clean. I don't know, because this is so short. Well, this shortest piece is, oh, where is it? Some of these pieces, like, I don't know, like there's a piece here that's like there. I would say that's about 8 inches. So my collarbones are 7, maybe 7.5. I'm not gonna have my hair that short, it's ridiculous. So I was thinking about cutting to 10 and seeing how that looks. And if the back still looks like kind of strange, then I'll probably have my husband trim my hair every 2 months, like a ½ inch, until it's just like evened out on the bottom. Or if it looks okay and it looks full and it's not a big deal, I'll just go ahead and do what I did in my last length check, which is like flat iron, trim the ends, flat iron, trim the ends, like that, just to like keep the ends healthy until it grows long again. It's not terrible. Like, you got some of you guys are like, oh my god, that's a lot of length. Yeah, but it was only like right here, like right in these corners. And yeah, it makes a difference clearly. But my hair's still long. So yeah, I feel like it's just thin, and I don't like my hair thin. Also too, the front is a little wonky, especially on this side. I think this side is shorter than this. I don't know, it's just a little chaotic a little bit over here, because I just chopped the front here a little bit. See how it's doing that? So I'm just gonna clean it up essentially. And I think I might go to 10. I haven't even really fully looked at it in the mirror yet, so I'm not sure, but I'll come back when Blake cuts it and show you the final results. Alright y'all, so Blake just cut my hair, and this is how it's looking. He cut it blunt for me, so it's straight across. The front still has like a little bit of layers. Now obviously there's some layers, a little bit of layers in here, but I just wanted it to be nice and full, and that's what he gave me. He did a really good job. I just measured it. I asked him to cut it to 9, but he asked if he could just cut it longer before he cut it shorter. So he cut it longer, and I just measured it, and it's 10 3/4. So he cut about 1.25 inches off, which isn't bad, and it looks so much better. So that like instantly made it look fuller and healthier. Yeah, there is still like a little bit of layers right here, as you can see, but it's not much. So yeah, I'm gonna just maintain from here, and I'm happy because now all my visible heat damage from the overall shape is gone. So I don't feel like bad about wearing my hair curly. I know you guys are probably like, why wasn't one cutting your hair? Well, I had severe heat damage back here that needed to get cut off, so I just wore my hair curly, how I wear my hair curly, and then I cut it as it looked, which you can watch in my previous video. And I do have some heat damage still in the front here on the left side and a little bit on the right, but I just wanted to get where the heat damage that wasn't presentable to wear curly off. And because I like to have versatility with my hair, I like to be able to wear my hair curly, I like to be able to wear my hair in whatever style I feel like wearing it. So I didn't feel comfortable having straggly ends like that, and also to the elasticity was so compromised, it probably would have eventually broke off anyway. So yeah, I still have these like I still have these like shorter pieces, like these random strange, see how they're different lengths, short pieces, and that's from when I cut the heat damage off on the side. It's like about this much, I think, on this side. It'll grow in. Yeah, on this side it's not, I don't think it's as much on this side. But yeah, it'll grow in. But it looks so much better, and I can definitely maintain this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust the ends like I did in my last length check video that I did the last time I was at 12 inches in April. Probably just trim myself. I'll probably just very lightly dust the ends just to keep it healthy, because it's not bothering me. You can't really see it unless I'm like, I don't know. You really can't see it now. It's not as noticeable. It's thick. But my plan now is to just grow it out, and like how I was growing it out. But I probably will not post this video right away because I literally just posted a video of me talking about totally being curly, and I know you guys are like, what the hell? But I'm trying to figure this out, what I wanted to do, since I got heat damage and now I have to basically start over. So I was like, oh, I'll just be curly and I'll start over and be curly, but I like to have fun with my hair, and I guess I don't really want to be limited to just curly hair, honestly. And I know how to straighten my hair without getting heat damage, so I'm like, you know what? Just straighten your hair yourself like you know how, and just cut off the hair to make it look decent, straight, and even. So because me cutting my hair like that, I wouldn't be able to wear braids. I wouldn't be able to wear twists without my hair making my hair look weird and wonky. I wouldn't be able to do certain styles. So like braid outs only matched my hair in its curly state and its wash and go state, and I felt like very restricted like that. And if you know me and in my personal life, I'm constantly trying to have fun with my hair, like the styles. So that wasn't realistic. I didn't feel like, at least not now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So it's the next day. I have my hair in some pigtails because it's summertime and it's freaking hot. For all my loyal subscribers, I really appreciate you guys sticking with me through all my changes. I honestly I just wanted to say that last night I said I wasn't gonna post this video, but I think I am gonna post the video because part of me feels like guilty that I keep going back and forth and I change my mind all the time. But honestly, like, this is my hair journey. I just need you guys to like understand that. So moving forward, I just want to say that I'm going to be straightening myself like I did before. Going back to what I said before, I got that silk press. I actually regret getting the silk press. I should have just stuck with what I was doing, which was when I was at 12 inches and I was like, oh, in 2.5 months, I'll just trim and be at 13. I wish I would have just stuck with that because my hair was doing really well and it was growing really well. I was still trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And I also wanted to cut off the heat damage, but there were so many things in my mind because I already knew I had heat damage. And, but I just wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I was confused. And so I was just like playing around with stretch styles, and it's hot, so the stretch styles were working, but then they weren't working long enough. And then it was just a lot going on. I didn't know what I was doing. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was being anxious about what to do next, even though I already had a plan and my plan was fine, but I also had that heat damage and I couldn't do certain styles with that heat damage. I know I said like I don't really like straight hair. I still stand by that. I don't really like straight hair as like a style because it's annoying to keep up with. It's a different look, like I said, and it's nice to see my length, which is what the purpose of me straightening it for. And I know I said I want to train myself to like stay curly and not use straight hair as a crutch or whatever, but it's a little bit more than that. It's also being able to have versatility and switch it up and not being bound to one style. And I know some people can have one style and they're a lazy natural and they do that one style for the rest of their life. I'm not that person. I like to have fun with my hair. I like to see different looks on myself. I like to see the progress of my hair, and curly hair just takes too long and there's no guarantee that I will see it grow that long in my texture, because I know sometimes curly hair also shrinks more the more it grows out. I don't know, I'm not confident, I guess, as much as I want to be in staying curly. So I think I just gonna stick to growing my hair out straight. I know how to do my own hair, and now I know I absolutely cannot go back to that hairdresser because she gave me heat damage, even worse. And now that I cut the heat damage out, not all of it, but like at least what made my wash and goes look terrible, I feel like I can move on. I don't know. I just feel like I'm all over the place, and I don't even want to post this video because I don't want to put my confusion out into the world for you guys to be confused and not know where I stand with my hair. Just understand I'm on a journey and I'm figuring it out. But as of right now, I'm going to be trimming my ends every 2 months as I've been doing and just growing it out and straightening it the way I do, which doesn't cause heat damage. So I hope that's helpful. I don't know. I also forgot to do a picture of the back. That's also annoying me. Like last night Blake cut my hair at like 2 o'clock in the morning. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning and I was tired. My back was hurting. I already did a 12-hour shift and I was just like, let me just do a video real quick. I didn't even get a picture of the back. So I'm sorry about that, but it'll have to happen later. I worked out this morning, so my roots are already like curly. So yeah, big deal as it is. Anyways, I hope you guys understand and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.